The St. Lucia Air and Seaports Authority has terminated its main contractor for the HEWANORRA International Airport redevelopment project and plans to restart construction in early 2025. The HIA project spans 3 administrations, with the Alan Chasney-led UWP administration departing from the preceding Kenny Anthony SLP administration public-private sector partnership model overseen by the IFC, with the adoption of a loan financing mechanism in 2018.
In 2015, Slaspa developed a comprehensive master plan to address the growing needs of the airport and its ancillary services. The plan included key components such as a modern terminal building, an upgraded air traffic control tower, a high-site radio transmitter and receiving system, updated runway infrastructure, the relocation of fuel farms and the helipad, and improvements to airport road access. In 2018, the government of St. Lucia allocated $100 million to the project through a financing agreement with the government of China on Taiwan. Slaspa engaged our architects and engineers. Then they were Heery CBRE, and now they are Turner and Townsend Heery, for the terminal design. And by 2020, OECC, Overseas Engineering and Construction Company, submitted a cost proposal of $130.7 million.
Slaspa CEO Darren Snack announced that the OECC, the Overseas Engineering and Construction Company, was terminated on November 30th as the contractor on construction of the new air traffic control tower. Following a change of government in 2021, work was allowed to proceed following a comprehensive review of the scope of the entire project.
During this review period, Slaspa determined and we obtained approval to proceed with the construction of the air traffic control tower. A notice to proceed was issued to the contractor, OECC, in December of 2022, and they signed it in January of 2023. With a 2-month mobilization period, actual construction for the air traffic control tower commenced in March of 2023. During the ongoing construction of our new, what we call our ACTC, Air Traffic Control Tower, the main contractor, OECC, breached multiple performance, health, and safety requirements. Despite efforts to address these issues, OECC failed to comply, and therefore this prompted Slaspa to terminate the contract with the contractor on November 30th, 2024.
The $130.7 million project, funded through an agreement with Taiwan, will now go on with new contractors. Slaspa expects to issue tenders for both the control tower and terminal building in early 2025.
Slaspa has now completed the redesign and specifications for the air traffic control tower, and by the end of the year, the terminal building, landside and airside works, and the bill of quantities will be completed. For the air traffic control tower, we have the QS firm, Ryder Levitt Bucknell, RLB, a reputable QS firm, quantity surveying firm, has prepared those updated bill of quantities. This will allow Slaspa to commence the tender process for the services to complete the construction of the air traffic control tower, as well as the terminal building, landside and airside works through a new contractor.
Snack says Slaspa will maintain control of the construction site within weeks and submit a revised budget to government officials. The project includes plans for a modern terminal building, upgraded runway infrastructure, and new fuel farms. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.